YouTube channel Shloka Tech, and in today's video I am going to tell you how to use Bootstrap, and this is a Bootstrap 4 tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I am going to go to the website getbootstrap.com. This is a Bootstrap's website. Then now in Bootstrap there like we can install it via npm gem yarn, and then we can link these files to use Bootstrap. It also has some themes and icons. So first let me go to get started, and then here go to components. Now Bootstrap has many components. You can see tooltip, toast, navbar, alert, button, card, and many things. So let's first go back to the home page and then click on get started. Now if we want, we can link this file also, this file also, but instead of that we will copy the starter template. So first let's make a folder and name it Bootstrap 4 tutorial, and I am going to open this folder in VS Code. I am using VS Code. You can use any other code editor as per your wish. Inside this, I am going to make a folder named 1, and then I am going to go to open, and I am going to open the first folder in VS Code. Then I am going to make a file named index.html, and then in the Bootstrap, if I scroll down, you will find this starter template, and this is the starter template of Bootstrap. Let's copy this and paste this here. Then after that, what I will do is uncomment these lines, and then I don't want this comment here. Then I will remove everything inside the body except the script, and I will call it the bootstrap script tags here. Then the title I will change it to Bootstrap 4 tutorial. And then I get to do this. I will delete this one. I will change this to doc type like this, and then here I am going to add comment CS. Well, let it be like this only. Now after this, you can always do format document to make your code a little better. And now inside extensions, I am using the extension name live server, so you can download the live server extension. Then here I am going to start the live server. You can with right click also, or here also it is there. So now it's looking like this. As let's type h1 saying Bootstrap 4. So you can see already it is little styled and not like normal because we have linked the Bootstrap CSS. So now let me remove this and tell the components to you. So inside components, first we have alert. So there are different type of alerts. You can see so many, and each has a different class. So each one is having the class of alert and a role of alert. But then in the secondary class we have given it alert primary or alert secondary. So let's see. Let me copy this one, and I'm going to paste this here. And now if I go here, you can see we get all of these errors, but this error is not so useful, and they also have alerts with this cross, and we like them. So let me do this. Now I will copy this one and paste it here. So now after this, here if I go to here, then you can see it's looking like this, and if I click on the cross, then it dismisses. So now let us apply some of the classes. So here it is saying alert. We don't want the alert warning. Instead of that, let's change it to alert danger. So you can see it's of red color. Then we have alert success. So now it will be green color. So like that there are many classes, and here you can discover this and more. Then after that, let's go to the badge. Badge is like we can add something like in the normal heading, like in simple text or button we can add this badge. So let me copy this one, and now I'm going to here first add a command name alert, and now let me comment that also. Now I'm going to say badges. So now if I go here, you can see it's in notification 4. Like that, these are also some badges. So instead of doing something like this, we can make a span and give it a class of badge, and again one more badge, and then you can let's say primary, and then you can type here primary. So I get the primary badge. If I change this to, or let me duplicate some like this, and now I will say success. Now you can see it is of green color. Then we also have one danger. It's like this, it will be of red color. Yes, and that's like there many of them are there. So let me comment that out. So after that we have breadcrumb. It's something like if you are organizing some like files, so you can do like it. This is the home directory. Then if you click on the library folder, then the library will add. Then you click the data folder, then the data will add. It's something like this. So if I copy this here, first add a comment name breadcrumb, paste this here, format document. Here you can see it's like this, and here I can add more. So you can see there are anchor tags, and we can link them somewhere. If I make another one, and this is the active class here, which like you can see this is all of them are in red, this blue color, but they are in like grayish colors. So if I remove the, you can see it's like this, and I don't want this one, comment it. And if as soon as I remove the active class, you can see it also is in this black color. Or let me show you this like this. And now you can see it's like this. And as soon as here I type active and hit save, you can see it becomes grayish. So, and Bootstrap, all our components are responsive also, so you don't have any problem with that. So now after that we have buttons. Now use some of the bootstrap classes are common in every type. Like you can see danger is in red color, success green, warning this yellowish color, light, dark, and they are same. So let me copy all of the buttons here, add a comment name buttons, paste this here, format the document. And now here you can see I've got all the buttons. Now I don't want this to look here. And here it has this, like this blue one has a class of primary, the grey one has a secondary, then success green, danger red, warning yellow, the info one is of like bluish color, then light color has a light whitish color, and dark is almost black. So this was for the buttons. And after the buttons we have the button group. So let me add a comment name button group and let's go ahead. So it like has some 3 buttons. Then we can add as many buttons as we want, but it's like you make a video editing website, or you are like you have an e-commerce website and you are letting the user to select the size and all. You can either do drop down or do that. So it's your wish. So let me start with the basic one. So here you can see it is this nice button group, and I can add as many buttons as I want. It will join them as, and I can make one more group like this, and they will after some space, and you can always add your custom CSS as well. Then after that we have the cards. Now cards are very important. Now let me see card. Now here the cards, you can add some simple cards like this, or a body card like this. There are different designs, and you can use different bootstrap classes as per your choice. Let's use this card. So let me copy this one. Here I'm going to paste this one. Now for the image it is showing this. Here though they have added the custom, but here it is showing you can always add an image and put this way. So let's go to a flash, and let's say I want image for this. I'm going to copy the image address, paste it here, and what? Oh, sorry. Inside the source, I have to add this. What is happening now? Yes, so you can see we have added this, and we can make multiple cards like this, and you can add them inside one div and give them a display of flex, so they will come in the row types. So now after the card we have carousel. Now carousel is like it keeps on sliding the image, like it has with control also, it has without control. After some time it automatically does it. So let's add a comment saying carousel, and I'm going to paste this one here. Okay, so I have to add image source. Let's copy this source here, and till here I'm going to do this like this. So it's now like this. Now it's changing, but we are not able to see that. So now let me copy this image address here, paste it here. So you can see it's looking like this now. and let's try with control. No, sorry. With control is this one. So I'm going to copy this one here. Let me comment this out. And here I'll say this. I have to add image source, no worries. Let me copy this image here. This image here. And let me grab this image. Oh, sorry. Copy the email address, paste. So it's with control. It's like this. I can control it. So carousel is very useful to add in a landing page. Let me do this like this. Now let us make a new folder inside that one. So here I'm going to make a new folder. For that, let me first open that in terminal. I'm going to make mtdir2. So now I'm going to cd into 2. Inside this I'm going to make index.html, and then I am going to open this in VS Code. So code, sorry, I'm going to grab that folder to it will be opened inside VS Code. Let's grab the starter template first. Get bootstrap.com, getting started. Starter template, copy, paste, format document, uncomment jQuery, Bootstrap JavaScript, Bootstrap for tutorial 2. This. So now let's start the live server first. And here after the carousel we have collapse. So collapse is like something like this, where I click and that comes. So for that we can add this also. So like I can toggle both elements. If I click on the first, then this will go, then now this will also go. So let's copy the basic one. Start with a comment saying collapse, paste this, format document, and now you can see if I click on this, like this. Now let's try this one. I'm going to first comment these out. Now here if I run both, I will cover the second element, I will cover the first element. It's like very useful. So now let's comment this also and go to drop down menus. Now they are very important for you to add in your website, and their classes are very simple. And you can see like this drop down button, they have used a button with their class like secondary and all. So let me show you something. let me see here, drop down. If I paste this and do this is the drop down button. Let me okay, so we do these. So now I was showing you that if to the button we add primary, it will become like this. Then there will be red and success will be green. So now let's comment the drop down and go to the forms. Now forms are also very important. There are many types of form, different type, checkbox, radius, range inputs. You can see this is for confirming our identity. I will say form, I will paste this like this, and this will be something like this. Then I can also use this one. It's a type of login form. This is like this. I can choose this file also, and I can select a file. Then I can use this. So let me copy this one, it's looking better. I will comment this out. I'm going to paste this. So now it's looking like this. Now let me comment this also, and now let's come to the next topic here, which is input group. Now input group is where you can, it's type of button group. It's type of a button group like this, and there are many types of them, and you can always discover as your wish. So input groups here, and it's like this. It's their button, and they also have a class of button of outline. If I remove then the outline goes, and if I come, then this is like this. So now let us come in this here, and here you can see they have given MB3. MB means margin bottom. Now let me make a me.txt. So it's like in CSS we have margin top, in Bootstrap it is empty. Then in CSS we have margin bottom, it is MB. Then margin left is ML, and margin bottom is equal to MB. Likewise, we also have padding top. So padding will be like padding top is equal to PT. And now here you can do something like in all the classes, and padding and like this gone, it goes for everything. So like padding bottom will be PB, padding left will be PL, and to all of them we can add something like a dash, and then how much amount. So like 8 pixels, so we have to type 8. Here I want of 120, here I want of 10. It's like our choice. So I hope you understood that. So after this, let's type Jumbotron. And let's go to the Jumbotron. Jumbotron is basically a header. It's type of a card and it has a big of the titles like this. Let's copy this one, paste it. It's like same with this, and I can change this. Yes, this is a very big jumbotron, but it will come here, and it is here. It's jumbotron fluid. If I remove the fluid, then it's like this. Now, right now, it's like the same because only this is there, but jumbotron fluid will take the full width. So let me do this now. After this we have list group. List group I don't have to tell you is the same like other groups. Then we have media object. Media object is type of like if you have a blog website and you can give different topics. I can copy this and comment this and save media object. I can paste this. I can give it a image source, copy image, copy image address. I can give this source, and here you can see it's like now you can this media you can target this div and add your custom styles. And then in a model is something like, let me show you. If I click on close, it will go, and it's type. If I click this, then the message comes. So if I copy this model here, paste this here, special model, and I do now here it has adding some comment. It means that this is the button we will click to launch the model, and here you can see it has data tagged model and data target of hashtag example model. So here it has ID of example model. So when I will click on this, then it will launch this. So here if I click on this, then this will launch here. So I hope you like this one. After that we have Navs. Navs is a simple nav bar like this. Let's discuss nav bar because they both are same. So let me comment this out here and this here. I don't know. And here let's see navbar, and it's very important because you should know how to make a navbar from Bootstrap. Let's paste this one, format document. Now we get this responsive navbar from Bootstrap. Now you can always add your custom stylings as per your requirement. I am going to comment the navbar here, and now we have pagination. It's like if a previous, next, three, next, then you have multiple results to show. It's like that, and here you can enter the icons. Then we have popovers. It's like this one, where it's a type of model, but model comes with type of alert, but this is the simple one. Then we have progress bar is this nice progress bar here, and it also has labels here, and you can add your custom colors like this, and you can see it is also animating. We can add that. Then we have scroll spy is like if I click on this, then it will go to next area. It's type something like that. Then we have spinners. Spinners is you can add a preloader before your website. Let me copy this one. Preloaders and paste this, save this, and these are all the preloaders, and they are also having the class of type of button like say text, success, danger, warning, info, light, dark, primary, like that only it is. Now after that we get toast and tooltip. Toast is it is type of a notification that you can add on your website. And there are different types, and here you can always give dynamic data from JavaScript. Then we have tooltips finally. Tooltips are type of the we got popovers, but it's short. So this was it for the bootstrap tutorial. I hope you like this bootstrap tutorial, and if you want to me to make a video or a full website using bootstrap, then make sure to comment down that in the below. Comment that in the chat box. So thanks for watching.